Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by creating a reliable base and mixing textures. Apply a thin gesso layer if needed, then plan flower placement with light pencil marks. Scoop modeling paste and thin it slightly so it holds peaks. This gives petal body. Use a palette knife to lay initial raised shapes for centers and primary petals. You want height first. Once done, let those foundation shapes cure until tacky, because that firmness lets you sculpt details without collapsing the form. Now you sculpt petals and create natural depth. Start adding successive petal layers from largest to smallest, pressing the paste at the base and pulling outward to form thin edges. Use the silicone sculpting tool to shape, curl, and overlap. Make sure to feather joins with a barely damp brush so layers blend. Once mid-layer detail exists, carve subtle veins and stipple centers for realism, because microtexture catches light and sells the three-dimensional illusion. Finish by painting for realism and correcting issues. You prime the cured sculpture with a thin glaze so paint adheres evenly, then apply base color, add shadow washes into creases, and lift edges with dry-brushed highlights for dimension. Make sure to glaze between layers to keep translucency. If cracking or lifting occurs, rehydrate the spot slightly, press in a small amount of thinned modeling paste, resculpt the detail, and allow full cure before repainting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.